Hey, Sharon here from Content Sparks. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use an AI assistant like ChatGPT or one of the other popular ones to take a look at one of your current offers and find some creative ways to actually add value to them so that they give more value to your customers and add more revenue to your business. So I'm going to show you some basic prompts and then you can continue on in there to get more information. Your AI will often suggest questions. So here I'm using a prompt that I've already added some information to. You could see the basic one here in a separate document I have is I sell whatever your product is and whatever information you can give about it. And I want to increase the value of each transaction without being pushy. What are some upsells, cross-sells, bundles, or checkout ideas that feel natural and helpful to my audience? And you can see in ChatGPT, I specified a certain course that I'm selling, a PLR one called Maximize the Value of Each Customer Transaction. And I give the launch details, what the regular price is, what a bonus offer is, what some upsells are that I already have, and then the rest of the prompt. And I even have a sales page already set up. So with ChatGPT and some others, you can give it the link to that page so that it can look at more information, or you could even give it some of the product content. So it gave me a bunch of results with some ideas, doing an implementation starter pack, doing a micro add-on, like customized email scripts, an order bump of some sales page templates, and a few other things in here too, plus even a bonus tip, like a light progress tracker add-on. And they were all pretty much generic. Next, I added a new prompt to try and get some more creative ideas. So I said, give me more creative or unusual ideas for increasing transaction value that feel fun or different from what others are doing. What are some unexpected offers that would surprise and delight my customers but feel relevant? So I started with a basic prompt, got some kind of interesting ideas, but I want to push it a little bit more. Always do follow-up prompts. And it gave me a bunch of different things. It knows my branding, so it used things like mystery sparks because I've given it branding information in the customization settings, but you could also add that in an initial prompt. And it gave me several different things. It gave ways to pitch it, like a creative spark, add-on ideas, tagline examples, all sorts of different information that I can work with to kind of inspire me. But I don't have a lot of time, so I want to do something immediately that's quick. And I said, which of these could I implement today or this week with the assets I already have? Listed 3 fast win options that wouldn't require building a new product or sales page. And it said it's focused on speed, ease, and impact. And it's given some time estimates, but these are not accurate because it doesn't really know how long something's going to take. So it has digital grab bag where I can take some of my older products that aren't available right now and zip them up as a mystery bundles. That's kind of a cool idea. Post-purchase choose your adventure email. That'll take more work and implementation, but could be set up quickly. Wall of Wins invitation. That's sort of would take longer, but doing a thank you, a $10 coupon towards a future purchase, that's an easy thing as well. And it gives them value and adds more sales. And it gives a recommendation of which is fastest to implement. You're obviously going to decide. And I could push it to do more. And then I said, from all the ideas you suggested, can you simplify them? Because I still think they're a little bit complicated. I'm looking for options that take less than an hour to create or implement. Which of these could I test quickly without building anything new from scratch? You can see it's a similar prompt to the previous one, but I'm pushing it a little bit more to simplify things more. And it looked at what it did. It really didn't come up with new ideas. I would have to prompt it more for that, but it gave more information and ideas of how to do it. And one of the ones is PS add-on reminder in launch emails. That's something I already do in a lot of my emails when we launch something, but it's good to know that that came up as an idea as well. And it gave some bonus 2-minute add-ons. You can see it's getting more and more creative and giving more tips. and saying which I should try. And I said I'm using the PS reminder for a page with suggested add-ons. And now I'm taking it a bit further and saying, how can I improve this page to make it higher converting? So I've gone from getting ideas for offers to actually getting information on how I can present that, especially ones that I already have. And then it goes in and looks at the page because it can access that page if I give it the URL. And it's going through what's working, what could be improved, simple tweaks, all different things there that I could do. And it even summarized the add-on page upgrade. And then it couldn't keep going. You can keep prompting and prompting, but at some point you want to stop and actually do those offer enhancements so that you can increase value. So at this point I would stop, pick one, and get moving. So I hope that was helpful. Try some of those prompts yourself and let me know how it goes. Take care now.